Access to clean, soft water is seeing growing demand as homeowners seek to protect appliances and improve skin health. This guide evaluates the appeal for families and RV enthusiasts alike, focusing on key criteria such as grain capacity, regeneration efficiency, installation ease, and overall value. Whether you need a whole house solution or a portable unit for travel, these top-rated options ensure you find the perfect match for your water treatment needs.
Product number 1. Aquasure Harmony Series 48. The Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 grain water softener is a standout choice for medium to large households, typically catering to homes with 3 to 4 bathrooms and up to 5 people. This system is engineered to tackle moderate to high water hardness, effectively removing skin-damaging minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. One of its most praised features is the advanced AquaTrol digital metered control head. Unlike timer-based systems that regenerate on a rigid schedule regardless of usage, this unit monitors water consumption and regenerates only when necessary. This on-demand efficiency can save hundreds of gallons of water and significant amounts of salt over the course of a year. Build quality is a priority here, featuring a corrosion-resistant fiberglass-lined polyethylene tank that ensures durability. The system often ships with high-quality resin pre-filled, which simplifies the installation process for DIY-savvy homeowners, although professional installation is always an option. Users frequently report immediate improvements in water quality, noting softer skin, shinier hair, and spot-free dishes. The inclusion of a bypass valve adds convenience, allowing you to perform maintenance without shutting off water to the entire house. For those seeking a balance between high capacity and intelligent operation, the Series 48 offers a robust set-it-and-forget-it solution that protects plumbing infrastructure while enhancing daily comfort.
Product number 2. Aquasure Harmony Series 50,000. The Aquasure Harmony Series 50,000 grain water softener is a powerful variation in the Harmony lineup, often favored by homeowners who need just a bit more capacity than the standard 48K model without jumping to the much larger industrial sizes. Designed for homes with 3 to 4 bathrooms, this unit excels in environments with particularly hard water. It utilizes a high-efficiency ion exchange process to eliminate scale buildup, which is notorious for shortening the lifespan of water heaters, dishwashers, and washing machines. By preventing scale, the Series 50 helps maintain the efficiency of these appliances, potentially lowering energy bills. What sets this model apart is its focus on user-friendly customization. The digital control panel allows homeowners to precisely program regeneration cycles based on their specific water hardness levels and family usage patterns. This level of control ensures that the system operates at peak efficiency, minimizing waste. The unit is constructed with durable, heavy-duty materials designed to withstand pressure fluctuations and long-term use. Additionally, the Series 50 effectively reduces the presence of ferrous iron, which can cause unsightly rust stains in sinks and toilets. With its high grain capacity, it provides a consistent supply of soft water, ensuring that even during peak usage times like morning showers, the water quality remains uncompromised. It is a reliable investment for those prioritizing long-term appliance protection and personal hygiene.
Product number 3. Aquasure Harmony Series 32,000. The Aquasure Harmony Series 32,000 grain water softener is the ideal solution for smaller households, condos, or townhomes with 1 to 2 bathrooms and up to 3 people. Despite its more compact size, it does not compromise on performance. It employs the same advanced technology found in its larger counterparts, including the digital metered control head. This feature is particularly beneficial for smaller families as it ensures the system doesn't waste water by regenerating too frequently, which can happen with standard timer-based units in low-usage homes. This model is perfect for tight spaces where a massive tank would be impractical. It efficiently removes hardness minerals, resulting in noticeable benefits such as reduced soap usage, soft water allows soap to lather more effectively, and softer, less frizzy hair. The installation kit typically includes a bypass valve and a pre-filled resin tank, making the setup process relatively straightforward for those comfortable with basic plumbing. The Series 32 is also highly effective at preventing limescale buildup in faucets and shower heads, reducing the time and effort needed for bathroom cleaning. By treating 32,000 grains of hardness, it strikes an excellent balance between footprint, capacity, and cost, making luxury soft water accessible to smaller families and couples who want to protect their plumbing without overspending on industrial-grade capacity. Product number 4. AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter. The AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter SF100 serves a different purpose than whole house softeners, targeting the point of use to provide immediate relief for skin and hair. While it doesn't remove hardness minerals like a traditional salt-based softener, it is a heavy-duty filtration system designed to reduce chlorine, pesticides, dirt, and odors. This makes it an incredibly popular choice for renters or those who cannot install a whole house system but still want to mitigate the harsh effects of municipal water. The filter features a multi-stage process that includes sediment filters, redox media, activated carbon, and calcium sulfite. Beyond simple filtration, the revitalizing aspect of this product comes from its infusion stages, which add beneficial vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and zeolites back into the water. This unique formulation helps to balance the water's pH and soothe dry, itchy skin, dandruff, and eczema. Installation is universally compatible and incredibly simple. It screws on between your existing shower arm and shower head in minutes, requiring no tools or plumbing expertise. Users consistently report that the water feels wetter and gentler, with immediate improvements in hair texture and color retention for dyed hair. For a low-cost, low-maintenance upgrade that transforms the shower experience into a spa-like ritual, the AquaBliss SF100 is a market leader in its category. Product number 5. Vevor RV Water Softener. The Vevor RV Water Softener is a portable powerhouse designed specifically for life on the road, making it an essential accessory for RV owners, campers, and boat enthusiasts. Typically featuring a 16,000 grain capacity, this compact unit ensures that you don't have to tolerate hard water just because you are traveling. Campground water sources are notoriously hard and inconsistent, often causing scale buildup in RV plumbing and water heaters. The Vevor unit combats this effectively, protecting your mobile investment while providing soft water for showering and dishwashing. One of the key advantages of this system is that it requires no electricity to operate. It functions through a manual regeneration process using standard table salt, allowing you to recharge the resin bed anywhere, anytime. The design is rugged and road-ready, often built with a high-strength steel or fiberglass tank that can withstand the bumps and vibrations of travel. It includes convenient features like a secure handle for easy carrying and standard hose fittings that connect effortlessly to campground hookups. Despite its small stature, it delivers high flow rates, ensuring that water pressure inside the RV remains strong. For travelers who want to avoid dry skin and clogged pipes during their adventures, the Vevor RV Water Softener offers a practical, durable, and cost-effective solution.